Hello, my name is Pawan Chandrasekhar and today's my topic is technical. So I have choose the technical topic. The name is full stack development. So let's understand what exactly the full stack development is and which terms are included inside the full stack development. So full stack development is combinations of different terms. That terms are like front end development, back end development, database, relational database, version controls, and DevOps. So there are these are the different parameters which are included inside the full stack development. So we will discuss one by one what exactly the points are. So first one is the front end development. So inside front end development, front end is like, if we consider the example of Amazon website. So first we discuss about what exactly the front end development. So inside front end development there are three main languages to develop the front end. So these languages are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So HTML is nothing. So HTML language, the full form of HTML is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So the HTML language is used for to develop the main skeleton of the any web page. It's like if you consider about the Amazon website, so the main skeleton of the website is created by using HTML. Next one is a CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So CSS uses for styling part of the styling part of the any of the website. It's like it style the website, it make it more designing, it make it more visualize and more familiar to visualization for the user purpose. So so this is a style sheet. And next one is a JavaScript. So JavaScript is used for making the website interactive and functional. So it means like first we take HTML, which design the internal skeleton of the website. After that first is HTML, next is the CSS. CSS, that is cascading style sheet, which used for styling part, which used for the makeuping of the overall website. And the last one in the front end development is a JavaScript. JavaScript makes the website more functional and more interactive with the user, so that user can be more familiar with that website. So it is about the front end development. Next one is the back end development. So what exactly inside the back end development is? So as of we develop a front end part which is more user friendly and actually that interact with the user. And next is the back end development. So inside back end development there is some use libraries and frameworks which helps to manipulate the website and interact the website. It's like if we store any of the data, so first of all that data is gonna store inside the backend part, and the front end part just looking for the user purpose. The actually the user is interact with the front end part, but 90% of the website is working on the back end part. So inside backend part there is some use frameworks like there are many frameworks. And next is the server management. So as the data is get from the user, then this data need to be managed properly. So that's time we need to handle this data by using server management. So there are different server to manage the data which are stored by the user and get access to inside the inside the data management. So after that there is a version control. So what exactly the version control does? So version control means it's like if we make a different version of any website. So it's like it's like if any of website having a version first, version second, version third. So obviously when we go to second version, so second version is obviously better than first version. And if you go to third version, so the third version is obviously better than second version. So what happens sometimes it happens like we update the version, but that's time after updating the version we things like, or the user experience like that updated version is not as much as good as the previous one. So that's time when we have to update the version, then that's time we have to make a change inside the code. So sometimes this version is get wrong, and that's time we have already made change inside our source code, so that's time we are get worried and all. But that's time actually the what version controller does, if we thinks like our updated version is not as good as the previous version, so that's time we can directly shift to our previous version and we can directly delete to the updated version. The popular example of version controller is like a GitHub. Inside GitHub we can code same project on multiple tasks with multiple peoples and multiple teams. So it's about the version control. So in overall, inside the front end development, inside the full stack development, there is back end, front end, server management, version controls, and DevOps. So it is the combinations of it is the combination to make overall the website. Thank you so much.